How to stop background apps from running on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on the option of additional settings. Now, as you tap on additional settings, make sure that you have toggled on the developer options over here, as I've already done it. So you can simply tap on developer options, and as you do that, you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the different options regarding the background settings as well. So you can just keep searching for it over here by just swiping up, and we'll be able to see the different options. So let's just skip over here. So tap on the background process limit. So you can just tap on it and tap on no background processes. So as you do that, you stop background apps from running on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.